And I remember, y'all, something that my mentor told me. He said, you got two types of people in life, Will. You got the people that I work with. Have anybody, when you're on the highway, have you ever seen somebody in a breakdown lane show hands? Right? You see somebody in a breakdown lane? Okay, good. So he said, you got two types of people, Will. He says you got the people, when their car's broken down, they stay in the car. Then he said, you have the next person, when they get out the car and they start pushing, they have somebody else pushing. I'm the second person for you today. I'm the second person for you today. If you don't know what your dream is, you don't know what your goal is, you don't know where you want to go, I'm going to get out that vehicle, I'm going to push with you. I don't care how hard it is. I don't care what's going on now. I don't care what's happening in school. We're going to get there together. I promise you that. All you got to do is just be willing to push with me. That's all I need you. I just need you to push with me. When I got out that vehicle, right, I had to also start examining my environment. I said, who are the people that are in my vehicle of success? And where are we going? Because I promise you this, sometimes in life, we have people who don't know where they're going, trying to put their destination on GPS. Destination club, destination women, destination class clown. No, we ain't going there. We're going destination legacy. We're going destination travel the world. We're going destination being a better leader, being a better student, being a better achiever, being a better community activist. That's what I want. And so when I got out the vehicle and I started pushing, I had my mentors push with me. I had people push with me. Who's pushing with you? Who's pushing with you in this life, y'all? And so sometimes in life, we are afraid to get out of park because we don't know where we're going. But the moment that you shift into drive, it's over. The moment you shift into driving your destiny, it's over. And so where are you going today? What's that destination look like for you? Because I promise you this, if you don't know where you're going, we can figure that out. I ain't saying you gotta have everything figured out right away, y'all. But have something on your list, something that's attainable, something that's achievable, that you can say to yourself that I am going to become the best version of myself. That I'm going to make sure that I don't let my mom down, that I don't let my dad down, that I don't let my sisters down. There's something in you that needs to be activated, and if we have to activate it, we're going to activate it. Where are you going? Like I just said, out of all the people, out of all the popularity in high school, the football team, out of all the popularity, only one person picked up the phone for me when I became homeless, y'all. Just one. The clothes that you see on right now, that's his brand. I was just talking to him the other day. He said, bro, I need you. I said, whatever you need, I got you, bro. Because I don't forget the ones who was there for me when I didn't have nothing. I can wear any brand right. I can just come out here straight Nike, Versace, whatever. But I don't forget the people who were there for me when I didn't have nothing. That's what I'm telling you. Life is short, but legacy is long. So when you leave this room today, and here's the thing, when you leave this room today, I want you to ask yourself a simple question. Where am I going? What does that look like? Like, who am I around? Right? And here it is, right? My favorite quote. Don't live just to exist, but live to be remembered. Right? Repeat after me. Don't live. Come on, don't live just to exist, but live to be remembered. Come on, don't live just to exist, but live to be remembered. Everywhere I go, that is the main message that I want everybody to understand. You get one life. Whatever you choose to do with it, that's on you. But you don't have to do it by yourself. You don't have to do it by yourself, y'all. And so when I started making the right decisions, when I started getting around the right people, my life changed, y'all. My life changed. You're looking at somebody who struggled with tests. You're looking at somebody where the teachers told my mother at PTA meeting that just someone now graduated from school. So you're looking at somebody who came from foster care. You're looking at somebody whose dad wasn't in his life. You're looking at somebody who is willing to do whatever it takes to make sure that his family will never have to go through the things that we go through. And so because of my decision, my children ain't never going to have to work for somebody else in their life. Because I made the right decision, I will make sure that my mom is set for life. You know how good it is to feel when your mom can call you and you can give your mom everything that she wants. Because you made a decision. So that's why I tell y'all, don't live just to exist, but live to be remembered. Because if you're not living to be remembered, you're living just to exist. And you ain't here just to exist, I can promise you that. You're here to be a better version of yourself. You're here to be the greatest version of yourself, the greatest thing that you can be possible. And so today, y'all, I just want you to understand this. Don't ever allow anybody or anyone to tell you what you can and what you cannot do. Stop that for that. The quickest way to kill a dream is to tell us a small lie. And so for me, I don't even have people in my phone that don't even think big, y'all. Maybe I'm like, man, I think we should go get this Airbnb. I don't know, that's too much. Too much for you. Because you're not locked in or you're not locked in. We thinking about generational wealth. We thinking about leaving a legacy. We thinking about making sure that our children are set for life. And so when you come to school, y'all, I just want you to make the best decision that you can make. Whether you're an athlete, whether you're a student, whether you're in leadership. Because I promise you this, the legacy that you leave will determine the success that you'll have. One time, come on, don't live. Don't live. Come on. I like the energy. It's the energy for me. Don't live. Just to exist. But live. To be remembered. Don't live. Just to exist. But live. To be remembered. Don't live. Just to exist. But live. To be remembered. I'm gonna say this to y'all, right? Anybody know who that is? Who that? Okay, cool. I'm gonna see if y'all pass this test. If y'all don't pass this test, I don't know. Who this? Super smart. Who that? Who that? Okay, cool. My question to you is, when people think about you, what do they think about you? Right? Every person I just put on the screen, y'all name it. My thing that I want you guys to understand is that when people hear your name, what are they going to think? Right? And always understand this, consistency is key in everything and anything that you do, y'all. And so when I put up these 4 people, I didn't put them up there just to put them up there. I put them up there because when people hear your name, when you graduate, when people hear your name, when you go off to college or when you go to play sports, what are they going to think about you? What are they going to say about you? Right? Your name is one of the greatest things that you can ever maintain. And so I'm telling you, like the legacy that I'm leaving for my kids and the Winfield generations to come, my grandbabies ain't gonna have to work for nobody. My grandbabies gonna be straight for life. My kids gonna be set for life. Why? Because I made a decision, y'all, to stay consistent no matter what I'm going through, no matter what it looks like. Yeah, your daddy may not be in your life. Yeah, your mom may be working 2 jobs. Yeah, you may have to be the older brother and older sister. Yeah, you may not come from no silver spoon in your mouth. I'm telling you today that no matter what you do, I need you to do with all your heart, with all your mind, and with all your soul. Don't you ever quit. That's the easiest thing to do. Everything that settles is at the bottom. And ain't nobody here at the bottom. We're going to get to the top. Every single opportunity that you get, I need you to give it your all. When you look at a test, yo, I need you to say, this test, man, I'm gonna make sure my mom's set for life. I'm gonna make sure that my dad's set for life. Like, I promise you, I used to look at a math test and I'd be going crazy. I'd be like, oh my God, I can't do this. I'd be looking at Shorty's picture, I'd be like, that ball right there with you. You got the ball? I do got ball going, no hit you. Okay, there's the answer, right? Just write the answers on my hand, y'all. I was horrible at math. Horrible. And it's funny thing about it, like I
ain't about being popular. This is about leaving your mark and leaving your legacy. And so I need you all to become the best version of yourself every single day and every single opportunity that you have. Right? And so again, one more time before we go. Right? I need y'all to do me a favor. Stand up. Come on. I know it's morning. Stand up with me. All right. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Don't live. Come on. Don't live. Just to exist. Don't live. Just to exist.